So I'm going to roll from my right hand over to where my left shoulder is, and I'm going to catch the hoop between my jaw, where my chin is, and that shoulder area. So once I've caught it between my shoulder blade and my jawline, I'm going to push up and back with my shoulder blade, like shrugging away. And as I do that, I'm going to pull my head down, creating like a pivot between my jaw, down and over to the right. So my shoulder is going to be moving back, and my head, my jaw is going to be moving away from it, which is going to allow this flip. So rolling from the right hand over to the left, catching it between the side of your jaw and the top of your shoulder blade, and then you're going to push back, so up and back with the shoulder blade, and then pull away over to the right with your jaw and your head, and that will allow it to flick as you see here. So rolling up, catch, flick behind, extending your arm and catching it. The second way of doing this is, as you roll it up to that area, you just pull your arm straight back, keeping it nice and straight, and you bat back the hoop so it flips behind your neck. So I'm rolling from the right to the left shoulder, and when it gets to that area where I was putting my chin and catching it with my jaw, I'm just going to bring my arm up and straight back like I'm doing a backstroke. You want your arm to stay straight, just push straight back, keep the rest of your body in the same place, don't move around, and you want to be aiming for your head to be in the middle of the hoop, because your head is the axis, so you need it to be proportionate if you want it to do a lovely flip and come all the way back round to the front. So way number one, roll and do that kind of backstroke mechanism with your arm nice and straight. Number two, catch with the jaw, push back with the shoulder blade and pull away with your jaw, and that will allow it to flip behind your neck. Enjoy.